I feel like I should be carrying a bunch of stuff and be like, Tim, we have stuff to do.
Yes, that's even better. Amanda, are you ready?
This very tired. I know you're very tired. Can you hand me that saucepan? Oh my god, pencils.
Okay, so I wanted to draw up a simple play on the board. This works fine. It's just a 1-4 setup with some motion.
Tim, some of us are working. Come on. We gotta go. I feel like that was too aggressive. I want to do it a little bit nicer.
Aggressive. You could be more aggressive.
I can do one more.
I wanted to draw a play up on the board, this simple 1-4 setup, and we're doing a lot of motion out of a high post. So you're gonna need a
Tim,
big
some of us are doing things. Let's go.
fits. I don't know what I'm doing. We don't have a plan for it, so I don't know why we need to build. Oh no.
That's why.
What's half of 27 and 3? It's
26 is 13 and a half. And just eyeball it. Yeah.
Call it.
Just do 13 and a half. That's art teacher math.
That's our teacher math.
But it looks uneven. All right, then go. You look lost.
So, Lindsay, what you got going on this weekend? Anything fun? This is so much fun.
I need the Jeopardy music over this. Like, am I an idiot? Is this... Shape marker. Press tip for a few seconds.
Unless it's the jumbo one.
Yeah.
Then it's a few
Oh,
minutes.
this
The other stuff.
It says puck.
It's
like bigger than you.
Okay.
Yes.
Amber. Okay, probably put it down.
The cardboard just sticks and all the way to the ground, right? Yeah, like slats. No?
Stand it up. This way.
Oh.
Oh no. That was unexpected.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's like you're in jail.
No. I did not account for the wire. I measured from the brick here so it fit in, and I did not take into account that.
Looper reel.
Get on my own bad knees.
Dump it. Can we hold it so you could squeeze with both hands?
Yes is the answer.
Like, all of these tables were in there. Can we all think about that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7?
7 tables in 1, 2, 3 cards.
There are more than 3 carts.
I have a back closet back there, but I can't take you back there.
Why not?
You looking what's going on back there.
It probably looks like every other art teacher closet. It's like everything is dumped on the floor. But they don't understand how much stuff you need.
True.
All right, so are you okay if I take a peek inside here? All right, let's take a look. Oh my God. You can see the entire back of the closet. Holy cow. This is a huge storage space.
All this clutter is a breeding ground for mice.
Stop! No! That's what the garland was for. Okay. What?
I thought I was throwing stuff up. What is that? Of course.
Yeah, just do it. Positive. Just throw it in the garbage.
Just do it, yes.
I think it's like, you put the books in there like a binder or something. I don't know.
That's what Staples is for.
Or a mascot. Or a comfort animal.
Yeah, it's really soft.
Uncover the door. 2 doors. What's in there?
Classroom?
I wonder if they knew what this door was for.
He used to roll around in school with these, so.
So that's just a fraction of the other ones in the closet.
Super poor.
Ready? Dun, dun, dun.
Oh my gosh.
Shoes. You got some Jordans in there.
It's true. I got shoes, candy, VHS tape, a toner for printer that I no longer have.
Right, I was gonna say, where's your printer?
Yeah, I no longer have that.
Slide projector, yes.
Bow, bow, bow. Ladies and gentlemen, bow. The original.
Slide projector. Why do you have these?
You know, I had a dream that one day there would be some type of art project. I was gonna make a person out of him, but that project failed. I realized that I have to find ways to use like everyday things to create stuff. Those tools that you have at home. You don't have to be like, I don't have this and I don't have that. No, it's easy. Trust me. We make a lot of things. Beautiful things.
We have some fun cardboard surprises for you this weekend.
It's about to go down.
There's more. I wonder if we have enough letter to spell out cardboard.
Full of love.
I could fit in that trash can. Everybody here is part of the problem.
It's like little tape caddies.
Another form of cardboard.
Oh. What are these?
All right, what is in this cabinet?
We think it's something dangerous.
Old artwork.
It's old artwork that they don't want to look at anymore.
I think it's like a mix of 50 different things.
I'm going books. I think it's all books in there.
How are we gonna open it? Does someone just wanna like karate chop it?
Amanda has karate training.
I do have karate training. That's gonna work. It's something solid. Yes. There's a paper cutter in there. I want to try to do a high five, but I can't see anything.
They can't see each other. Every plumber needs a washable marker. Doing the steps, and then at the end I'll have you explain it. Janet, don't tell me that squiggle is a bird. The M bird. No, you have to do the corner sun.
I know, I tried. Okay.
Very realistic.
And then draw an eye to these.
I'm an art teacher.
Pro tip. That's too much of me.
So you're like,
That's where you can't actually, you have to tap back into your perfectionist side.
surgical precision.
Significantly covered in Home Depot dust, and now it's time to look for furring strips. Found a this. This is a card.
We need someone making it in.
Wait, what trash?
Janet.
Should work.
Oh, with the pass. Oh. It's a tiny little. Oh.
Basketball tricks you want to see?
Yeah.
Just kidding. You know all those like videos that are like.
No, you got
A lot of that this weekend. I feel like.
Winning team, community engagement.
So what are you guys doing there?
We're playing vertical twister.
Uh-huh.
We are trying to stick this to the wall using every art teacher's favorite material. What to glue. It's bad in our bodies.
The video, are you doing it right now?
Yes. Oh, not recording. No, I am. It's fine.
What I've done is taken a look at our.
So sorry.
It's okay. You're fine. Let's start over. Just delete all of that. I'm so tired. Always pull from, or if for some reason I'm out. Man, I am so tired. Hopefully you can cut from this. I'm sorry. I am so tired. This is like really hard.
You only need like a couple short
I know,
reps.
but I'm like trying to, I just like go through and then let her figure it out, but I'm just
Yeah.
like, I'm so tired. You should make one.
Yeah, just say that.
Okay.
Okay. Right on this end. Do we have this kind of knife? It says don't do it. I'll be careful.
Although I think that little knife bit.
There's so many packages in here. It's very crinkly.
Use those strong nails.
How many art teachers does it take?
Would you like to take a look at those directions and see what you're...
I wonder if the other languages will help us. Oh my gosh, this is harder than the chairs. It's like less enjoyable also. It's less satisfying. What happened? Will it spin in a circle? No. Ready. Ta-da! Hey, let's build another one.
That's a great shot.
Yeah. Amazing. Do I go like this or lift it up? Or go like this?
The
But like I have to do it a little slower because otherwise it'll be like, Okay.
Is this what we need?
yes.
All right, Tim, what is your favorite part of the room?
I'm really excited for him to see the murals up around the room.
What about you, Amanda?
Well, my personal favorite part is the color changing clock.
I really do like that little AstroTurf rug because you walk in, it just feels so homey. I would say the biggest thing about the whole thing is the color change. It is so bright in there now.
You have an answer?
Yes. For me, it's the podium, the jump man on it, Flash, artist.
All right, what is your favorite part?
I can't even lie to you. Everything. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. Oh, I love it.
Right to the basketball.
Literally.
Remember that cart that had like 20 of them on there? Remember that?
So listen,
It's working now.
if my 20 pencil sharpeners didn't work, will you be the one, the last one that I'll ever get? Because I need you to be that, okay? There are gonna be 220 plus kids.
There's a to-do list on his desk. Number 1 is have fun. Number 2 is clean this.
Oh, we should add number 3. Sing us a song.
Yeah.
We thank you. We just want to thank you. I do remix, but save that for later. So, thank you.
Amazing.
I've always wanted to be a singer. I'll be in front of these kids. I'll do it. Because one thing I've learned is the kids tell the truth. If you suck, you suck. Can I open it? Maybe.
It's the same.
No, okay, we'll leave it.
Because that was for the other teacher, right?
That's right, that's right.
He's not getting a makeover.
I'm up here. Okay, let me see.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
We made a to-do list for you if you want to read that. Have fun and clean supply closet. This is in your list.
Yes, yes. I'm gonna try to maintain as best as I can. That's a promise. I'm beyond words. This is amazing. Been here for a long time, and I'm grateful for the opportunity. So thank you for everything. Twine, thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. You know, we have a beautiful department, and so to be bestowed upon this, it's wow. I'm beyond words. Ladies and gentlemen, bow.
I don't know if it fits. I don't know what I'm doing. We don't have a plan for it, so I don't know why we need to do.
I do have karate training.
Every plumber needs a washable marker.